Hi, Jim and John Arrigo here. Thank you for choosing Arrigo Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram.
We appreciate the opportunity you've given us to earn your business.
Since 1989, we've been providing customers just like you with award-winning sales and service experiences.
We're proud and grateful to be Florida's #1 volume Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram dealer year after year.
We strive to provide South Florida with the biggest selection of new and pre-owned vehicles.
And with 4 convenient locations, we're confident we'll have the exact vehicle you're looking for.
And of course, at the lowest price Arrigo is well known for.
Thanks again for choosing Arrigo.
We're looking forward to having you as one of our many satisfied customers.